In this video, I will show you how to use CapCut video editing app template. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, let me show you how. Open up your CapCut app. Go ahead and click on templates. Then here you go. You have different templates for you right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different templates right here. Now, for you to use any of the templates right here, let's say for instance, you are trying to create a kind of video. For instance, I want to use this particular template right here. So what you want to do here is to simply click on the template. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on Use Templates. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Use Templates right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to select a particular video you want to use for the template, video or photo. I'm going to go to the photo tab right here. Then here, I will simply select a particular photo from my camera roll. So I'm going to use this particular camera. I'm going to use this particular photo right here. Click on Next. Just like so, we have the video being generated right here. Then I can as well change the music. If I'm not satisfied with the current music, click on this icon right here, which allows you to change the music. And then from here, we can select different types of available audio right here. However, we can also extract audio from a video file. Or better still, we can add our personal audio. Click on Add Sound right here. So you click on Add Sound, there's going to redirect and take you to where you can simply import your feed audio file. And for that, go ahead and click on this icon. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on Device. Then from your device, you can simply select your personal audio that you want to add to the template right here. Or better still, you can check audio file from TikTok app icon right here. If you have any audio file you save from TikTok, it's going to be found right here. It's that simple. Once you're satisfied with whatever audio you use, click on here to close this tab. And then we have the template right here. Let's play the template. So if you're satisfied with the template right here and the result, next thing you want to do to simply click on Export right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to click on the options. Like for instance, click on here to change the tone. Then here you can export you can export 1080 pixels or better still 2K or 4K resolution. Once you set up the quality, go ahead and hit on done right here. Just like so. You can as well export without watermark right here if you don't want to have a TikTok watermark. Lastly, go ahead and hit on export right here, and the template video is going to export successful to your media gallery. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.